guys, we have for our pro drivers here at the WAM Show 2021, BF Goodrich Pushing the Limits Autocross feature. We have the Orange Challenger at 29.64. We have the Green Viper at 27.87. We have the Blue Viper at 27.312.
Woo! So, dude, I'm like 2 seconds away from you guys in a Challenger.
Now, for our amateur class, did they beat you guys?
Did they beat us? No.
No.
That's a hard no.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely not.
All right. It was a 2021 Charger with the time of 32.54.
There you go.
That's a lot quicker than I thought.
Yeah.
It was.
Was it a Hellcat?
It doesn't say whether it was a cat, but it seems like it. But guys, congratulations on your time.
Hell yeah. Hey, high five, brother.
Thanks for having us, dude.
Hell yeah.
Let's say that he called us a pro driver, so.
Yeah.
Hey, Ma, I made it.
Hey, we made it. Hey, there's a $10 bill on this. Hey, we made it.
Hey, Pedro, thanks so much, sir.
Thanks a lot
Thank you
for
so
having
much.
us,
No problem, my
Appreciate it.
friend. Thank you so much. You guys made the event a hit, guys.
Right.
And I've received so much feedback, and everybody loved it. Everybody got a really unique experience, and you guys killed it. So thank you so much. Look forward to the next one.
Hell yeah. Thought we were gonna stop and look at the truck. So I opened the door. Evan just keeps driving. That's cool. Oh, DQ. Now I know why. Hey. Somebody's drink stuff got spilled. Well, let's see where that noise is coming from, maybe. Wow, what the hell we got going on here? We're aired out.
Aired out, blew a fucking tire out.
Blew the inside dual. We got a hole in the airbag, and that's what the problem is, right?
Lost both fucking tail lights.
Right there. Hole in the airbag. Tire blew out, blew the airbag out. Damn it, Bobby. I'm gonna need a new license plate. And some new taillights. And I don't know. Bummer, bro. That sucks. What are you working on, Bodie?
Oh, this is a flap here.
Is a flap up there?
Flap, name it up.
We got a problem with the RV. Let me crawl up here. Ooh. The damn thing came loose. A piece of the RV is loose.
It's loose.
Kate, Bodie's trying to tape it so we can get
Right.
a little further down the road here. Or we can maybe come up with a more permanent solution.
It'll work till we get home.
It ain't easy being cheesy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's always something. It's always something.
Look at that one. Look at this fucking.
Look at the size of this spider.
Jesus
Look at this horse, dude.
Maybe that thing is effing huge. That is scary as hell.
I want to look at
Look at this little horse. Oh,
The two that are in between the tree and stuff.
There's a fucking one in the windshield, but he's not as big though. This one might.
I would not work on that truck no matter what you paid. Ever wonder why you gotta live up north? Where it gets really cold out? That's why right there. Look at that man eater. I don't know how you can sleep around here, you know? Knowing these things are around. This ain't right.